think I'm gonna try and do one more.
Cause you left the lid open!
Julian, stop.
It's not the toilet's fault, it's your fault.
Well, it's also the toilet, unless you push the flush lever all the way down, it does that weird noise. That's what happened.
Yeah, that's actually his fault.
No, Julian, stop.
It actually is his fault.
Julian?
He pulled it down all the way.
Alright, so this dungeon is a tier 3, it's Garan hold. Extra shrines will appear in the dungeon, and monsters gain 75% of their maximum life as a barrier, so the monsters... Hey! Hey! The monsters are extra difficult to kill, but I get extra shrines.
Good morning, Trina. The time is 8:55 a.m.
Where are you going with that?
What?
Where are you going with that?
So, to Garan hold I go.
I was going to tell you, it's impossible to forget to close that lid.
Julian, it's done. It's over.
But you can't make the mistake to leave the lid open, that's for sure.
Ah, Hugo, down in front, down in front. Ah. My god, these monsters are moving so fast. Like, I don't know. I'm in trouble. Well, that was interesting right off the bat, just attacked by these speedy little fallens.
Because you made me clog, because you made me worried about the clogs.
Julian.
I am relaxed, but this is the worst thing that could happen. So
I am relaxed, but this is the worst thing that could happen, yeah? You don't sound relaxed, Julian.
What did you say?
This is too much on a Saturday morning. Can we please stop? I'm supposed to destroy 3 idols, and there's one right here. No idea what she's saying to me. Yeah, just order breakfast. I can't hear you. Ah! Mutter, mutter, mutter. Oh, an elixir. A blue elixir. Those are the slightly better than the one I've been using. In fact, I might even use it now. Corpse bows. Corpse bows are pretty strong, but that one died pretty quickly. Oh, there's another one. I didn't even see that one.
Need more time.
Nope, another glyph. Oh, there's a, oh, well, that guy died. Wow. He had full health and then he didn't. That was...
Need more time.
That was a regular fallen shaman, okay.
Need more time.
Another or manual trap augments. Okay, I can talk, yeah.
Need more time.
Cause I also do a poster.
My usual, please.
A big waffle. I said a big waffle, Daddy.
Oh, okay.
With Nutella. Wow, just look at this. I could eat as much as you want.
What about you? What do you want to do for breakfast?
I told you you can't even too long.
What do you want for breakfast?
Hugo, what do you want for breakfast?
I actually picked up 2 blocks.
Go tell mommy what you want for breakfast.
Leave this right now.
Did he answer you, Trina?
Need more time.
Hey, let's quickly go to the... Hey, no! It's an emergency for you not to do it. I'm just be like, all the abilities ever. Now I am. Whoa! Diamond!
Diamond.
Hugo,
What?
do you want to try a breakfast burrito?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Why, what's a breakfast table?
Breakfast
Table.
table.
Whoa, what was that?
What was that?
Is the smoke alarm going out?
What the hell? Like the video. I hate that. Are we too loud or what?
Well, hit level 53. And now I need to slay Keeper Shorlim? Sorlim? I don't know.
Managed to capture one of the abominations. The next time the cathedral visits, we'll have something to welcome you.
Please stop it!
Locked it in the main chamber.
Oh yeah,
Okay.
that thing's...
What's happening?
I think this smoke detector is out of batteries. We gotta take it to the trash.
Garan,
Then why is it making noise?
That's why it's making noise, to tell us that it's out of battery. It starts making noise.
Why can't we just put new batteries?
A lot of them you can't. I'll have to look and see. The last time that happened was one of the ones that you can't replace the battery.
It's gonna happen again. That's true.
Yep, probably.
Yeah.
That's one of the Shrine's abilities I got there with the multi-shot going on. One of my favorite Shrine effects right there. I also like the one that guarantees critical strikes. I don't really like the lightning ball one too much. 'Cause it wears off right when I'm like surrounded by enemies. So I just end up getting in trouble more often than not.
Is that what you're saying? Why are you saying it to the passenger who's watching? They don't need to do anything about us. We're just lazy, guys! This is really simple. We have to like the video so that we can do it.
Apparently the people watching this video are just passengers and shouldn't know anything that's happening. Oh, got the key. Now what? I gotta open a chamber door. Hugo! What the hell? Stop that.
Julian farted at my eye.
Julian farted at your eye.
What are you talking about?
Guys.
What are you talking about? Don't say that all. That was
Lumpy. Oh my god, gold! Gold!
I can't believe it! I hate food! I hate food! I hate food! Hate love! Stop! Absolutely no!
Hugo!
What the? Absolutely no! Absolutely no!
Alright, here's the chamber door. But first, let's get rid of all these guys.
I need more time.
Doing that to get all of my shields without having to use, or my shrouds without having to use the skill itself. Spirit Caller of Flames. Oh gosh, look at all these guys.
Whoa! Stop it! That's crazy! I'm gonna blow up that. Science! What the hell? Oh,
Julian, whatever noises those are, they are super gross. Can you please stop? So with that, I think I am done for the day. So yeah, I'm going to sign off.